Good morning or good evening to everyone. Welcome to Unix Basics tutorial. This tutorial is about showing you the Unix architecture and how a Unix architecture is designed internally. So it starts with the hardware components, then it will have a kernel part, and then a set of system Unix defined libraries, and on top of it there will be an application, and on top of this there is a shell environment where we write or we give our command. So basically shell is nothing but it's a command line interpreter. It acts as a request from users and checks whether that command is existing in this particular library or not, and it converts into a kernel understandable language, and it sends a request to the hardware and get back the response and send it onto the screen. So this is the importance of the shell. So I repeat it again. We'll start with this way. So shell is nothing but it's a command line interpreter. It's access a request from an user and checks whether that command is existing in this particular libraries or not. If it is existing, it converts that command into a kernel understandable language. Then kernel will interact with the particular hardware, and it can send back the response of that particular things. It acts as the interface between the user and the kernel. Okay, now let's talk about the kernel. What is a kernel? Kernel is nothing but it's the heart of Unix, and it is a group of hundreds of systems calls. When I say system calls, it is called as a low level programming. Okay, each and every system call that will be written in a C language. Okay, so this is the architecture of an Unix. So you get a response, what is the command you write it, so it checks into the libraries. If it is there, then it converts into a kernel understandable language. There is, if any hardware communication is needed, and then it will interact with, and then it will be read. So all the applications will be resided over here. Then I can say like all the compilers in this area, there will be a compilers, there will be editors, there will be a tools, and this is specific to a hardware and this is specific to a this one. So on top of it there will be a users and so on. Okay, so moving to this kernel, I can say whatever I have discussed, right? So I can say it is a heart of an operating system, and it provides an interface between the application and data processing at hardware level. In similar, it directly interacts with the hardware. All system libraries you will be there, and applications developed in the will come into the application layer. And shell, as I said, it acts as an interface between the user and the kernel, and it is utility for interactive processing, developing scripts and programming constructs. Okay, so this is the basic Unix architecture, and thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great and pleasureful day.